Are you wondering which landing page software is the best, Landingi versus Elementor? Well, both have their pros and cons, and in this video, we're going to break down everything you need to know to make the right choice for your needs. Stick with me till the end, because I'll also share a surprising alternative that could be exactly what you're looking for. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about ease of use. Landingi is known for its user-friendly interface. Even if you're a beginner with no web design experience, you can start creating landing pages quickly. The drag and drop editor is intuitive, and the templates are quite customizable. Elementor, on the other hand, is also a drag and drop builder, but it offers even more control over the design elements, especially when it comes to detailed customizations. However, this can be overwhelming for beginners. So, if simplicity is key for you, Landingi has the edge, but if you're after flexibility and precision, Elementor might be more your speed. Next, let's look at templates. Both platforms offer a wide variety of templates, but Landingi stands out with its niche-specific designs. Whether you're in e-commerce, lead generation, or SaaS, there are templates that cater specifically to your industry. Elementor has a great selection too, but its templates are more general, and while customizable, you might need to do more work to get them to match your brand perfectly. In this regard, Landingi gives you a slight advantage if you're after industry-targeted designs right out of the box. The next thing to consider is pricing. Landingi offers tiered pricing based on features, starting with their more basic plan. However, their more feature-packed plans can get pricey, especially when compared to Elementor. Elementor has a free version that's pretty solid, but to get all the advanced features, you'll need Elementor Pro, which is a yearly subscription. When comparing just the basics, Elementor's free version gives more value up front, but if you're looking for a complete solution with more sophisticated options, Landingi's pricing can become more competitive. Moving on to integrations. This is a huge one, especially if you're using multiple tools for your business. Landingi integrates with a good range of third-party applications like Google Analytics, HubSpot, and MailChimp. Elementor, however, takes the lead here with its larger number of integrations. Whether you're using marketing automation tools, email platforms, or CRM software, Elementor provides a more expansive network of integrations. So, if you're working with a lot of different tools, Elementor might be the winner. The fourth thing to look at is customer support. Both platforms offer solid customer service, but Landingi tends to have better reviews for its dedicated support team. With 24/7 support and a comprehensive knowledge base, Landingi does well in this area. Elementor, however, has a huge community of users and tons of tutorials online, so while the official support might not always be as quick, there are tons of resources available through the community. Finally, let's talk about the final verdict. Both Landingi and Elementor are strong contenders in the landing page software game, and the choice depends on your needs. If you're a beginner looking for ease of use and ready-to-go templates, Landingi is a solid option. If you're someone who wants more design control and a wider array of integrations, Elementor might be better suited to your needs. However, after trying both of these platforms myself, I found a much better alternative that I highly recommend. If you want a landing page solution that combines ease of use, powerful features, and seamless integration with your tools, you should check out the first link in the description. Through our link, you'll get access to the best free trial and exclusive benefits that you can't get anywhere else. Don't miss out on this opportunity to improve your landing page game. Go ahead and take advantage of it.